In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Shopify header transparent. This simple change can instantly give your storefront a clean, modern look by letting your hero image or banner show through behind the navigation. We'll walk through where to find the setting in your theme, what the options mean, and a few quick tips to keep things readable and on brand. First, sign into your Shopify admin on a desktop browser for the clearest view. Once you are in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Online Store, then select Themes. This is where all of your theme controls live, and any changes you make here will affect how your store appears to shoppers. Next, find your current theme at the top of the page and click Edit. This opens the theme editor so you can make visual changes without touching code. You'll see a live preview on the right and a list of sections on the left. In the theme editor, open the header section. This is where settings for your logo, navigation, announcement bar, and background live. Different themes organize things slightly differently, but the concept is the same. We're adjusting the header's background so it becomes see-through over your page content. Now look for options labeled background color, transparency, header style, or something similar. Some themes include a specific transparent header or transparent background toggle. Others offer a slider or checkbox to control opacity. The wording can vary, but the goal is to remove or reduce the solid background behind your header so the content beneath can show through. Toggle on the transparent background. As soon as you do, check the preview, make sure your logo and menu text are still easy to read against the content behind them. If your background image is dark, a white logo and lighter text usually look best. If it's bright, darker text provides better contrast. Many themes also let you adjust the text color for a transparent state. Use that if it's available to maintain accessibility and clarity. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. After saving, take a quick look at a few different pages, your home page with a hero image, a product page and a collection page, to confirm the header stays legible everywhere. Transparent headers often look best on pages with a strong banner image at the top. On plain pages, consider how the contrast holds up as the user scrolls. That's it, your Shopify header is now transparent, giving your store a sleek, professional first impression while keeping navigation front and center.